Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.